it's Morgan with WTI. This LoafNest inTune Precision Baker is perfect for beginner and pro bakers alike. This thing is so amazing. It helped us bake the perfect loaf of bread, and we are beginners in our house, and we had so much fun with this. This is such an incredible baking dish that has a built-in oven thermometer, built-in water tray, everything you need to make the perfect loaf of bread or whatever you want to bake. It helps with so many different things. This is us using it to make bread. It was so much fun. We had such a great time. This was our first time making it, and this LoafNest inTune Baker made it so easy. It was just so much fun to be able to make it fresh at home. It was awesome. We preheated it while the loaf was rising, and it preheated to the perfect temperature. So it was very easy for us to pull back out and throw in our fresh loaf. This was so much fun. I was so excited. And the water tray is great because it helps you get that crust on the end, and it was so fun. So we threw it right back in the oven. It's now at the perfect temperature, and it didn't take very much time at all, and it kept that bread cooking so evenly, so nicely. I was so excited. This was so great. You could just see the steam coming off, and it was awesome. It was so beautiful. This made it so easy of a process, and just look at that bread. It was amazing. We had such a good time. We totally recommend this product. And that's my point of view.